Why are you so agitated? Eh?
Mazi,
sit. Let's talk.
Mazi, this is not the time to sit down. I am very angry right now. What's going on? Let me tell you, Mazi. On my way out, I saw your daughter hugging and smiling with that village riffraff, Emeka. Huh? They were just hugging and laughing as if her life depended on it. What's going on? In broad daylight?
Hugging? How can that happen?
Mazi, I know what I saw there. I saw them laughing, smiling, doing all sorts of things. What is really going on? Mazi, please. You gave me your words. What's going on?
Okay, Ekene, please. Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I know what I saw out there. Don't tell me to calm down.
Hey, it's alright. I know how annoying it can be, okay? But leave this to me. Let me fix this, okay? I'll fix it.
Mazi Biko, fix this very, very fast. I want you to do everything within your power to fix this. Hence, I will forget she ever existed.
No, don't say that now. Please, just give me time, okay? Give me time. I promise you, Nneka will not be seen with that idiot again. I promise you that.
Are you sure about this?
Very sure.
Please, I beg you. Biko.
Oh, it's alright. Sit down, let me give you cola.
Also, look, we look at the back of that plantain. Just from the ground, please. Dike, Aplomono. Yes.
Cut where? I've warned you to stay away from my inheritance. Stay away from my father's land.
You said what? Your inheritance. I've told you already that you are not the legitimate son of my late brother.
Say what? Just repeat that thing.
What will you do?
Repeat what you just said now.
To kill me?
Repeat what you just said.
You don't have the guts. You don't have the guts. Look, stop. Hey, come back here. Go get
It's not by force. You cannot force me to marry him. No. You cannot just force me to marry him.
I say you must marry Ekene. You must! That is what is best for you and this family.
What is best for me? What is best for me is marrying someone I don't even know, a stranger.
Ah, come on. Does it take eternity to know someone? Huh? Look, what you need is respect, willingness, and it builds love. That is what marriage is all about.
Just respect and willingness?
Mm-hmm.
Papa, I don't even know this man. I don't love him. Understand me.
Look, it takes time. It takes time to build love. Look, do you think your mother and I married out of love? No! We built it!
Papa, I don't think you're understanding all this. I cannot possibly jeopardize my happiness for a man I don't even love. It's my life we're talking about here, not yours.
There is no jeopardy in this one.
Papa, you're just being selfish. You only care about your friendship with Mazen Madoka. You don't expect me to just accept this like this. It cannot work.
Let me tell you, what you need is just duty and commitment. That is what marriage is, and not fairy tale.
Look, Papa, I am not going to marry him, and that is fine now.
You will marry him, you are just joking. You must marry Kene. Why are you to tell me what you should do? No! I should be the one to tell you what you should do. You will marry Kene, whether you like it or not. Don't.
You shouldn't be doing this now. You shouldn't be doing this. Why every time it's not for play? You scared me.
I didn't mean to scare you.
Sit.
Do you know, for a moment I thought you would use them.
Thought what? Sit. It's not every time you be playing. You know there's how this village is. So me, I'm staying guard. A lot happening in this village has made me paranoid. I'm protecting myself. So when that happened, I thought it's the enemies or something. Eh?
You're protecting yourself?
Of course. Are you not aware what is going on?
That's why you have that machete ready for trouble.
What am I supposed to have before? Eh? It's machetes now. Is it because I'm not having a gun? I'm supposed to protect myself, but it's not for you. Of course you know. Hmm?
See, let me be your peace. You need to stop chasing shadows.
You know I'm not chasing shadows. I'm doing what is right. You know.
I have a suggestion. Have you thought about involving your family members? At least they can intervene in this situation.
My family members that they've bought with money. Those ones, they've bribed them now. They can never say the truth, even when they know. Those ones have been bribed. I don't have any family member. It's just me fighting for what is mine.
Okay, another suggestion. Why don't you go and report to Igwe? I'm very sure he will do something.
My love, you don't even understand what is happening in this village. It's like anyway, you don't know. It's when you put eyes on the ground, you will see that all these people are manipulators. Even the Igwe and Mazio Kafo, both of them are in this together.
Hey.
So, going to meet him, he will just laugh at you, at your back. He will tell them whatever I came to say. Leave them. I got those people.
And then if you ask me, the best is to let go. Because this piece of land isn't worth your life.
What are you saying now? Are you the one saying this? When you're supposed to stand with me? I should let go what rightfully belongs to me? That means their claims are right now. I'm a bastard. Yeah, because for me to give up what I know is mine, my father's thing, that means I'm a bastard. How can you advise me of doing that? Yeah? I should let them have what belongs to me. My inheritance? Ha! Nah, you gonna make me go. What you say?
Bim, you're not a bastard and you know it.
Then why are you telling me to give up all this, man?
I just don't want to lose you.
Nobody's losing me. Nobody. Now they will be the one to go.
Eh?
Yes.
You want to kill somebody?
Anyway, let me just not talk. Just not talk.
Calm down, Inugo. Just calm down. I just don't want anything to happen to you. Oh?
Nothing will happen to you. I'm not a fan of you.
What do you mean, Papa?
You will get that riffraff in trouble if you don't stop seeing him.
That's riffraff. He's the man that I love. Your hatred won't even change that, Papa.
Did you say love? Mind you, Neka, an okra tree cannot outgrow its owner. You will learn that soon enough.
You cannot keep dictating what you want me to do. I am grown.
Neka, it is in your best interest to marry Ekene. Emeka will remain a wasted dream.
Because he's poor? Because he's not your friend's son?
Listen to me, and listen very good. As long as I am alive, your union with Emeka will never happen. And guess what, my daughter? I am not dying anytime soon. Hey, can I my son?
Hey!
Look at you.
Maziago.
Oh, my son.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
I couldn't pass by without coming to see you.
Oh, that is great. Let's go inside. Let me give you cola.
No. I just stopped briefly. I have something for you.
Really?
1 minute.
Hey, can I my son? Sio. Hi.
This is for you.
You see? What is this?
Goodies.
This is heavy.
I know. They are all for you.
Oh, thank you. It is gestures like this that prove to me that you are going to be very fine in law.
Well, I want nothing more. As far as I'm concerned, once your daughter becomes my wife, I will do more.
Oh. And you've got her already. I'm telling you, take it to the bank.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
All right, Maza.
She's yours already.
It's all right. I'll be on my way now.
It's all right.
All right, take care.
Greet your people, eh?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi. Just look at. Tobechuku, why are you looking at me like that? Huh? Come here, I'm talking to you. Is it a bad thing to secure a good future for one's daughter? This boy, you are a very wicked person. Where are you, idiot? Come on, open this door for me. Can you see this boy? Tobechuku! Tobechuku! Banging my door like that. Who is there?
Open this door, Mazi.
Okay.
Huh?
What is it now?
Mazi.
Come. What is the problem? Why are you so agitated? Huh?
Mazi,
sit. Let's talk.
Mazi, this is not the time to sit down. I am very angry right now. What's going on? Let me tell you, Mazi. On my way out, I saw your daughter hugging and smiling with that village riffraff, Emeka. Huh? They were just hugging and laughing as if her life depended on it. What's going on? In broad daylight?
Hugging? How can that happen?
Mazi, I know what I saw there. I saw them laughing, smiling, doing all sorts of things. What is really going on? Mazi, please. You gave me your words. What's going on?
Okay, Ekene, please. Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I know what I saw out there. Don't tell me to calm down.
Hey, it's alright. I know how annoying it can be, okay? But leave this to me. Let me fix this, okay? I'll fix it.
Mazi Biko, fix this very, very fast. I want you to do everything within your power to fix this. Hence, I will forget she ever existed.
No. Don't say that now. Please, just give me time, okay? Give me time. I promise you, Nneka will not be seen with that idiot again. I promise you that.
Are you sure about this?
Very sure.
Please, I beg you. Biko.
Oh, it's alright. Sit down. Let me give you cola. Tobechuku! Where is the water? Tobechuku! Remove the cover.
I'm sure that it's the thought of separating sister from brother Emeka that made you to choke.
Are you alright? Eh? Are you mad? How dare you talk to me like that? You want me to slap wisdom into that your empty skull? Eh? What do you mean about impressing anyone?
I love sister Nneka loves brother Emeka. And I can see that. And I'm just a child. Why can't you see it?
Look at this idiot. Eh? You can see what adults see. As in how? How can you understand what adults understand at this your young age? Idiot! Eh?
You have to return the money that Ekene gives to you. Return the gift. Because me and you know that sister won't get married to him. You have to just return it. Are you sure you don't want me to bring more water? You have to want a rematch.
Come on, get out from there, idiot. I'm not fear.
Don't you go. Please. Can bring more water.
Are you still there?
Right.
George, you put your mouth or something like children of these days, eh? I wanted to leave part of the food for you, but you will not. Look, come and see the meat, oh. I will not give you anything from it. I'm eating everything. Idiot. Emeka, my boy. You see, I am that kind of person. I hate injustice. As a matter of fact, it burns my heart. What your uncle is doing is illegal. And I am prepared to help you to get back your land.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Uncle, you know, I didn't believe that someone will actually stand with me. Especially coming from you, I'm shocked. Thank you. Thank you.
No. You don't need to thank me. As you well know, something must give. As a matter of fact, I will help you to get back your land, but on one condition.
Condition?
Yes, I will do everything within my powers to ensure that you get back your land. But on the condition that you will end whatever it is you think, or rather you're doing with my daughter, Neka.
So you're giving me the condition to live in Neka?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
If I want to get my land back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that is why you invited me here? Because of this?
Have you looked at my daughter? She's schooled, beautiful. I mean, she deserves a better future, and that future I've already secured for her.
I heard what you said. You've made your point. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. The love I have for Neka, your daughter, is not compared to a land, no money. The love I have for her is bigger than things of the world. So for that reason, I'm sorry, I cannot in any way leave the woman I love for a piece of land.
Come on, Emeka, just be reasonable here. Okay, be reasonable.
I can't do that, with all due respect. That's why you called me. I'll have to take my leave now. Please.
Really?
Yes, please.
Emeka, wait. You are a fool. Yes. Walk out of this place without accepting my proposal, and you will lose everything.
Is that what you think?
Mm-hmm.
Even if I lose everything, at least I still have her love.
Are you daring me?
Thank you for the drink.
Love is stronger than any lies.
All right.
Love is stronger
Chelsea.
than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather.
What are you doing there? What are you doing in my life? Are you not the one I'm talking to? What are you doing in my land? Look at what is wrong with you. What do you mean what is wrong? What's wrong with you? Are you still not working? Which work? Huh? Working? Who gave you the audacity to work here? Eh? Emeka, this land belongs to Mazi Okafor. Who is Mazi? He requested for my services, and that's what I'm doing. Leave this land. Emeka, stop. See, don't think you can don't think you can intimidate everybody in this company. Okay, I said leave here. Emeka, nobody. I'm just. Emeka, please. If I see you in this land again, if I see you, Emeka, please get out. Emeka, please. Emeka, come. Come on, run out. I said, sorry, Emeka, stop.
Mazi, I've told you everything. That young man, Emeka, is not bluffing. He's really out for blood.
I have told you, Chinonso. You will go back and continue what you are doing. That land belongs to me. That boy called Emeka, no matter how angry he is, he cannot dictate to me what happens there.
No, Mazi, I can't go back to that land though. The other boy has already fled. Huh? Nobody wants to die for farmland.
Are you saying that my authority means nothing? That I cannot protect my workers? Is that what you're saying?
Ma, it's not about your authority. It's about Emeka's rage. That young man almost strangled me to death.
Then why are you standing here alive? Do you think that Emeka's back is worse than his bite?
He's not just backing. Emeka is out to bite, and when he bites, he's going to be fatter. You've not seen this young man in action. You've not seen him.
And you think that running away solve this problem? By cowering. That I, Mazi Okafor, will allow Emeka to claim what belongs to me. No. It's not done.
Mazi, it's not about being a coward. It's not about being it's about standing on my ground. It's about survival. How can you be asking us to fight a man who has absolutely nothing to lose?
That means all of you are cowards. Chinonso, where is the loyalty? Where is the unity of the people under my leadership?
Man, it's not about loyalty. Will loyalty bring back lives? No, if you have strangled me to death, will loyalty bring me back alive?
It's fine. You can go.
What did you say?
Leave that land for now. But I must tell you this. I will not allow Emeka's madness to stand. He needs war, and I will give it to him. To the extent he will come to this my house and say, Uncle, I am sorry. Take it from me. So you can go. Emeka, you are biting more than you can chew. Emeka,
you are very young and reckless. Why staying up chaos for a land you don't have any claim to? Any rightful claim whatsoever.
How can an old man like you, be shying away from the truth? Are you not supposed to be saying the truth? Do you still have much time on this earth? Who doesn't know that land belongs to my late father? Who doesn't know in this village that land belongs to my late father? And you know it. It's not easy to say the truth. You're being corny. That I'm shying away from the truth, for fighting what rightfully belongs to me?
You talk out of turn, boy. That land ceased to belong to Nnamdi, my brother, the moment he borrowed money from me.
Nobody borrowed anything from you.
You used that land.
Nobody borrowed anything. If my father had borrowed money from you, he must have told me.
He used that land as collateral. He used it as collateral. Okay. Let me show you. Maybe you are not aware.
Which stupid collateral?
Wait.
If my father had borrowed money, he must have told me.
This is the proof.
Which proof?
He could not be able to pay back.
Which proof? Leave this agreement. I could not mind these people. Don't mind this. I don't know where he got this from. My father never borrowed any money from him.
Emeka, maybe you don't know. Let us not forget that you are not his legitimate son.
No. No. The one that I will not take is to insult my mother. I will not take that one. No. You can forge any document, but to insult my mother. Just repeat what you just said now. Repeat that nonsense you just said now.
Emeka, this is not the proper way to approach an elder.
Who's to be the elder?
We are here to seek the truth. And not silence the
Uncle, please just say anything. I want to leave here.
But this is the truth now.
Which truth?
Look at the agreement here now.
This is not truth.
Self-righteous man. That is why you are envious of me. You will twist any statement, anything, to make sure that you oppose me.
God, that's...
This is not between you and I. It's about justice.
Uncle, please, I want to leave here. I'm still standing here because of you.
Okay. Enough of this back and forth. Emeka, leave us. How dare you? How dare you ask him to leave us? Are you normal at all? We will reconvene to decide this matter.
Sure, I'm leaving. I know you're the only truthful elder here. Leave this too.
This is our family land. This land represents our family history. Every soil on this ground represents our family name. Every cassava cultivated here, every yam harvested from this place, they all sing our family name.
Papa, it feels warm.
Yes, that's because it's alive. It's actually breathing. It is breathing with the rhythm of our family name. Your grandfather cultivated on this land. Your great-grandfather cultivated on this same land. Today, your father is cultivating on this land. Tomorrow, it will be your turn to cultivate on this land. And you shall still hand over to the next generation.
Did they love this land as much as you do?
Even much more than you can ever imagine. They protected this land from the eyes of wicked and unreasonable men. A lot of people wanted to take this land away from them. Some even wanted to buy it at all costs, not knowing that the land was not meant to be sold. I'm telling you today, my son, don't let the enemies take away this land from you when it gets to your turn.
But Papa, if I may ask, what if they want to take the land by force? What do I do then?
My son, protect this land with everything you have, as though your entire life, your entire existence is dependent on this land.
do not allow the enemy for any reason to take this land away from you, because it is our family history. If this land is taken away from you, our history has been erased from this planet Earth. So you have to protect this land with every bit of you. I want you to promise me that you are going to protect this land, that on no account should this land slide away from your hand. Promise me that.
I promise, Papa. I promise.
Death. Death. That you do this one. But imagine what these people are saying. Would they ever say this thing if you're still alive, Papa? Would they ever? Just look at how they are frustrating me. Your brother. The man you call your brother. Papa. Ha! Ha! I wish you can just come and fight. But I promise you, you have me here. I will fight with everything in me to make sure that I take what rightfully belongs to me. Because you told me. You told me. Now they are fabricating stories. Because you're no longer with us. Never to worry.
That boy is causing problem, and he must be stopped. The documents I brought proves everything. His father borrowed money from me. I used that land as collateral. Nobody will deny it. You people knows about it.
Okafor, you presented a paper that cannot speak, and the only witness is dead. And don't forget that there's no one to confirm your claim. And how are we sure that the loan was truly given to your brother as you claim?
Kachuku, I understand your doubts, but we cannot disregard the evidence.
A man's legacy cannot rest on a mere document that is not verified, and more so, one that cannot be challenged by anyone.
Are you accusing me of lying? Kachuku, are you suggesting that I fabricated this?
I am saying that it is not enough, it is not sufficient. It is a tool of manipulation, not proof.
Kachuku, we cannot just disregard the evidence. There must be some truth in it.
We cannot condemn the boy without a solid and traceable proof. Otherwise, we risk destroying the boy's future and legacy.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You want me to prove to you what is already clear? Kachuku. Eh?
I cannot sit here and watch a child's future being taken by the seat. Show us something real, something solid. We cannot present that document to the Igwe as evidence.
Kachuku. No problem. It's all right. If you say so. But let he or his mother bring evidence to us that the father, Nnamdi, did not collect any loan from Okafor.
Your request screams bias.
And what does yours scream? Tell us. Tell us.
will not accept complicit in greed while there is still honor left in some of us.
Quick one, I want us to talk. It's something bothering me. You know, Mazio Kafo. Mazio Kafo said I am not the biological son of my father. And that leaves me worried. So I want to ask you, and I want you to tell me the truth, and nothing but the truth. Don't mind how I'm going to feel. Just tell me.
Hi.
Is it true?
Hi! Mazio Kafo's tongue is sharper than a serpent bite. Manachirikwa, are you letting his lies trouble you, Mama?
No, Mama, just that he says that at every slightest opportunity, and I'm human. He keeps saying it every now and then. You know, but it's fine. I believe you. Of course I believe you.
My son, it's because Mazio Kafo is a desperate man. Mazio Kafo can tell you that this sky is green, all for him to achieve his wicked agenda. Don't let that bother you, Mama.
It's fine, Mama. It's fine. Because if at all he's saying the truth, why didn't he say it when Papa was alive?
And your father will shut him up for good.
Chioka.
Trust your father now.
And then again, he said something about Papa borrowed money from him, so they use the land as collateral. Did he discuss anything like that?
Never. Never. My son, your father was a proud man. Though Mazio Kafo offered to give him a loan, but your father rejected it because he wanted that land as a collateral. Yes. Your father told him that that land belongs to his son. He told him that that land is for Emeka, that he rather dies than release that land.
So that means that man has been eyeing that land even when Papa was alive. He didn't start today.
My son, you have to be very careful. You don't fight fire with fire.
Mama, leave this one for me. I've confirmed what I need to hear. Okay? Leave me and Ichioka for. Continue with your...
Mazio Kafo
Mama,
is a dangerous
continue
man,
with your...
Biko Nwamo. Hey! Biko, he's a dangerous man. You are my only son, no?
Who brought this?
Well, that is your aqua. Yes, you see, Ekene brought it himself. He came from the city to give it to us here. He's going to open his shopping mall at the city in 2 months' time.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Good for him.
He said you are going to wait as his special guest on that day.
No, I won't be there. I have no business going there.
Ah, come on, don't be ridiculous. We have to be there. Huh?
Papa, please, just take these gifts back to him. I sincerely do not need them. Biko, please.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. eyes, it shines like beckoning. In the dark of night, it guides you through the stormy weather and brings.
Mama, stop telling me that. My father's land given to Okafor, that will never happen. Over my dead body.
Emeka, please don't make things worse.
Mama, stop telling me don't make things worse. How can the Igwe believe such ridiculous lie? A document, forged document that is clear, is a forged document. The signature there is not even Papa's signature. How can he believe such ridiculous lie from a man that has been fighting to take over that land even when Papa was alive? You know are you not saying, is it not clear to you that they know what they are doing? They're all in this together. They're all in this together.
You know your father wouldn't want this fight. He believed in peace.
It is not my father. Can never be my father. My father will be happy wherever he is to see that I'm fighting for what rightfully belongs to me. He will be happy because that's the land he stood, he cried, he sweat. In fact, he did everything in that land. Only for riffraffs to claim what is not theirs. This way is mad. He's mad. Wherever he's very stupid.
Mazoka is a dangerous man, no?
Me, I'm more dangerous than him.
Biko,
very dangerous than him.
You are my only son, Biko. Igwe have spoken.
Which has spoken? And who made his judgment the final judgment? He has made his judgment. Me, I will still continue. After this, we'll go for another case. For that land, let them take it. Let me see.
You are my only son, no.
Maziago, this is going out of hands. Your daughter Nneka just told me she won't attend after all my efforts.
My son, calm down, okay? I've told you to relax. She will eventually dance to our tune.
Mazi, are you sure Emeka has not cast a spell on her?
Spell? At this jet age? Nah. Look, he is simply her first love. That is why she's very comfortable with him.
Comfortable, you say?
Mm-hmm.
The only thing that riffraff Emeka can do for your daughter is to give her a life of struggle and hardship. Nothing more. Please, Nneka should not stoop so low for that low life. Mba.
Ekene, my son, leave everything to me. Okay, she will be yours. As for the commissioning of your shopping mall, don't worry. She will be by your side. Trust me.
Mazi, are you sure about this?
Don't worry. Consider it done, okay?
Well, that will mean a lot to me.
Just consider it done.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
Finally. Where did you keep your phone? I've been trying to reach you all day.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Just the case today. Hey! That little bastard thinks that he can drag that land with me. He must rot in jail.
Okafor, you are very greedy. And I told you I will not allow this to slide. Where is my own part of the agreement that we agreed on? You are sure? Yes, my money. Amadi, I owe you nothing. I owe you nothing, Amadi. From paying your wife's hospital bill to giving you money time to time means you have taken enough. Is that part of the agreement? I have settled you enough. And I'm mad, look, don't push me. Don't push me. Oh, don't push you. Yewa Okafo. Oh. If you make me to get angry, I will do more than talk. Eh? If not because I could have, dealt with you. All these are empty threats. You don't scare me. But do your worst. I said, do your worst. What is this? Okafo. You want me to do my worst? Okay, Napamia. You might pay with your life.
Am I interrupting something here?
Akajugu. No, not at all. We are just having little tete-a-tete, okay?
Very friendly talk.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Very sure now.
You can have it.
That's why you can. Like as we are saying.
How are you?
Okay. What's this?
This is the contact of a logistics company that I supply goods to in the city.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and I spoke to them about you. She's willing to offer you a job, and this is going to help in every possible way.
Look, I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
What do you mean you're not interested?
I'm not interested. I don't want to work. Work is not my problem.
Wait, I don't understand. You would rather while away your time in this village and fight over a piece of land?
But fighting for what belongs to me is never whiling away my time. It's me doing the right thing.
But the land does not belong to you.
Says who?
Says the Igwe.
Who is the Igwe? Who is the Igwe?
Obim, he warned you not to step your feet on that land again.
And you think I will not step my feet in the land? Is that what you think? Because the Igwe, I'm not leaving this village until I recover that land. I will not leave this village until I get what rightfully belongs. Until they leave that land for me. For me to go, leave the village. If I leave, that means they've won now.
See, there's something you're not understanding. You need money. You need so much money to fight someone like your uncle. Okay, well, how do you intend to actualize what you're even saying now?
I have a plan.
My heart is shattered. I'll be a mawagama. I'll be more. Oh God, my hands are clean. Chino,
Keep knocking, stop shouting, just keep knocking.
Mazi Okafor.
What's going on, man?
Where must he have gone? Mazi Okafor.
Are you sure somebody is there?
I don't think so. Where could he have gone to?
Maybe at the farm now.
Maybe his door open.
This is strange.
Let me check them again.
Okay. Be fast about it, please. Maz! What? Nonso? Nonso, are you okay?
He can't go! Hey! Hey!
This man is dead. What happened?
Hey! He killed him. He killed him, Ike! He killed him! Ah!
Emeka! Emeka! All is not well.
Problem? How? What happened?
Your uncle, he's dead.
My uncle is dead. How? How's that possible?
You didn't know?
No.
Are you sure? Are you sure you didn't have a hand in his death?
What? Is that what you think of me?
Yes, now, because all the problems you two were having, maybe you mistakenly...
How? That I'm fighting for my land, does that make me a murderer? What are you saying?
Hey, wait, there's another problem. Your cutlass. It was found next to his body.
My cutlass?
Yes.
How? That's not that place I keep my cutlass, if not you now. Hmm? I'm sure that I kept...
Hey!
Is it the one?
Yes! That's him. What happened?
Yes, that's Emeka the murderer! He's Emeka the murderer, arrest him!
Mr. Emeka Namdi, you are under arrest for the murder of Mazi Okafo.
For who? How?
Officer, is it not?
I don't know anything about it.
Our advice you remain silent for whatever you say now or do will be used against you in the court.
How? I'm innocent.
Officer,
this is a third watch. I'm innocent. I don't know anything about anything. I'm innocent.
You cannot deny it. You're a liar. The blood on your hand cannot wash away easily.
Officer,
take him away.
Move him.
I'm innocent. What are you saying?
Officer is innocent. Officer, you cannot move him. He's innocent.
Emeka, you are a killer. You are a killer.
My elders, I am begging you, please. Emeka, my son is innocent. He cannot kill his own blood. He's not capable of such evil.
I will look into this. Justice must be fair, not rushed. If Emeka is truly innocent, we'll find out the truth.
Kachuku, do I hear you clearly say fair? That boy's guilt is as clear as daylight. The Igwe judgment drove him mad. He wanted a revenge. Simple.
Hey! Mazi Amandi, he didn't do this. Don't just condemn him so quickly, Bikonu. Eh? Mazi Kachi Bikonu. Eh?
You are talking about condemn. He is the one that condemned himself the very moment he took that man's life. And I must make sure he faces the full wrath of the law.
Ah! Hey! Mazamadi Bikonu, I am begging you, he didn't do this, oh, for the sake of truth, oh, Mazamadi. Mazikachi Bikonu, Bikonu. Emeka is my only son, oh. Bikonu,
Don't lose hope, eh?
okay.
I will see what I can do to help your son.
Thank you, Mazikachi.
Okay, calm down.
Oh, Chukwu Gozibege, oh. My God will bless you. Thank you. Oh.
My heart is shattered. Oh, dear, my God, oh, dear, oh God, my hands are clean. Chimo,
enough of this. It's all okay. Okay? Pull yourself together.
You will not understand that.
I do. Believe me, I do. Listen, if a child is persistently pointing in a particular direction, it's either the father is there or the mother is there. A stream or river cannot drown someone whose feet it cannot see. And of course, there is no smoke without fire. So, I don't want you to cry over someone who does not deserve your tears. You should be celebrating. We should be celebrating that he has been exposed. Yes. He's wicked. Look, that man is mean, wicked, and unscrupulous. Someone who could kill just because of material things. Is that somebody that deserves your tears? Huh? What you should do right now, is to concentrate on Ekene. Someone who truly loves you. Someone with a promising future. In fact, his present situation now, his financial situation now is very, very good. We are not even talking of the future. That man has money and he can take care of you. So don't waste your love on someone who does not deserve it at all. A murderer. That man is a murderer, so forget about him. Stop crying now. Don't worry. Ekene will take care of you. Don't cry.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the one who truly loves you better. Oh baby, your love go through the fire, through the storm.
You look troubled.
Papa, is it true what they're saying in this village?
What are they saying?
That Uncle Chika wants to take our land. And you're planning to...
Do something bad to stop him? Who told you that?
I overheard it from Auntie Former.
Listen, my daughter. A man's name is his legacy. Very, very important. When he is no more, it is the name that remains. So, do you think I will stain my hands just because of a piece of land?
But what if he takes it from us? What now happens?
Neka. Yes, our land is important to us. Yes, it feeds us. Okay, puts food on our table. It is our life, no doubt. But a man's life is sacred. Okay? So, no property, no land, nothing material is so important as to worth claiming another man's life.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather.
I'm not leaving this village until I recover that land. I will not leave this village until I get what rightfully belongs. Until they leave that land for me. For me to go, leave the village. If I leave, that means they've won now.
I don't want you to cry over someone who does not deserve your tears. You should be celebrating. We should be celebrating that he has been exposed. Yes.
Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love will conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love will conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love will conquer. My love, we have been through this. Now we are stronger. We are standing again. You have been to the depth of sorrow and pain. Oh, but your love has risen. You are standing again.
Nico, I know this isn't easy for you. I understand how you feel. You know, seeing someone you think you know, someone you trust so much with everything in you, do abominable things you can't even imagine he can do.
Emeka did not do it.
Well, I understand. I do. I want to believe that too. But you see, the evidences are everywhere. Littered and scattered everywhere. Even Emeka can't deny it.
What do you want, Ekene? Why are you here?
I'm here because of you. Can't you see that? I'm here because I want to make you my wife. You're everything I ever wanted, Neka. Huh? See, this life is so empty without you. Make it whole for me. I have built a life. I have built a world I am proud of. And without you in it, it's so empty. So empty. Can't you see it? Be my wife.
I can't.
No, you can. Right? Allow me to take care of you. I will take care of you. I will make you know that love still exists.
The games you play,
Nigga.
lies you lie, just to get attention. I make her your wife.
She's so stubborn.
She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame.
Mika, please. You have to understand. I don't even know what is going on anymore. It's just that everything feels so overwhelming.
Mecca, you don't need to say any further. You don't need to say much. I understand what you're trying to say.
No, Mecca, it's not that.
You have concluded, you have chosen your path. That is what you want. It's fine.
Honey, it's not what I mean.
I wish you well.
It's not what I mean. You need to understand that I'm confused. Amy.
Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather.
Enke. Hi, my daughter. Look, you look ravishingly beautiful. See, this is the right thing to do. Huh? Ikeda is a good man. He will take good care of you. Hmm?
I don't think so, Papa. Have you thought of what people will think of me? Leaving Emeka in a situation like this?
Rather, people will see you as a wise person. Yes, someone who chose wisdom over sentiment. Believe me. Okay? Yes. Listen, look, Emeka is no longer your body. Ekene is the future. You have to go? I'm sure it's the one. Toju, get the door. You have to go? I'm sure it's the one. Okay. Talk of the angel.
Neka. You look so beautiful.
That's my daughter. How are you?
I am fine.
She's all yours, okay? Make sure you take good care of her. Hmm?
I will. I mean, she's everything I ever wanted. My darling, shall we?
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I make her your wife. She's not fooled.
Oh, wait.
Ekene, is anything the matter?
I just want to thank you for coming out here with me tonight. Really means a lot to me. See, I know you're going through rough part. And it isn't easy for you. I can say it. I believe with time, you will get comfortable with me. Well, as for the business I told you earlier, after our marriage, I am going to make you a big shareholder. You're going to take charge of that business.
You need to get going. It's getting pretty late.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea can meregi, guinea can.
Anything you want, just to show you that I am really sorry.
Eat. Did I tell you I'm hungry?
No. I didn't say that. It's just a way of saying I am sorry. Just a meant for what I did. Please don't say no.
Hey, don't touch me. I can go. You don't have to touch me.
Okay, thank you.
The games you play, the lies you lie.